Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about sentence. What is a sentence? What are the various types of sentences? And conversion of sentences from one form to another. Friends, to express our feelings, we need words so that others may understand us. But for this, words have to be put in a certain order so that they make a sense. Such a group of words is called a sentence. If we say a group of words like match, very, exciting, was, eat, a, it does not give a complete sense, so it can't called be a sentence. If we arrange it in a certain manner, like it was a very exciting match, it gives a complete sense and it can called be a sentence. So, from the above discussion, we can conclude that a sentence is a group of words arranged in a manner which makes a complete sense. Based on the meaning and sense, the sentence can be classified as declarative or assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. We will discuss the sentences one by one. First one is declarative or assertive sentence. What is a declarative or assertive sentence? A sentence which makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence of this kind can either be affirmative or negative. For example, the earth moves around the sun. It is in the form of affirmative. She does not listen to my advice. It is a negative sentence. Both these sentences are under declarative or assertive sentence. Second one is imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a request, an order or command, advice or instruction is called an imperative sentence. For example, close the door. It is an order. Please tell me the way to the airport. It is a request. Work hard to pass. It is an instruction. Do your homework regularly. It is an advice. The third one is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? A sentence which asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, what is your father? Do you like stories? Why did you laugh at him? Will you attend the class? Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a strong or sudden feeling such as surprise, joy, wonder, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. It is an expression of joy. Alas, he is no more. It is an expression of sorrow. How intelligent the boy is. It is a surprise. What a beautiful flower. It is a wonder. These are called exclamatory sentences. The fifth one is optative sentence. What is an optative sentence? A sentence that expresses a wish or prayer is called an optative sentence. For example, may you live long. It is a wish. May God help you. It is a prayer. So both these are optative sentences. Now we'll see conversion of sentences. Conversion of sentences can be made into four categories. It can be converted into affirmative, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative sentence. If we say a sentence, he is a doctor, it is in the form of affirmative. It can be converted into negative. If we put not in this sentence, it will be a negative sentence. He is not a doctor. It can be converted into interrogative sentence if we put the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Is he a doctor? It can be converted into negative interrogative. Simply we put not in this sentence. Isn't he a doctor? Another example, Ramo plays cricket. It is affirmative. Its negative form will be Ramo does not play cricket. Interrogative form will be does Ramo play cricket? Negative interrogative will be doesn't Ramo play cricket? Another example, Meera sang. It is in the past tense. Negative form will be Meera didn't sing. Interrogative, did Meera sing? Negative interrogative, didn't Meera sing? Another example, Mohan will come. It is in the future tense. Its negative form will be Mohan will not come. Interrogative form, will Mohan come? Negative interrogative form, won't Mohan come? And the last example is he can do this. It is also in the affirmative form. Its negative form will be he can't do this. Interrogative, can he do this? Negative interrogative, can't he do this? So these are the conversion of sentences. We can convert these sentences from one form to another in this way. For this session, we will stop this video at this. Next we will discuss about tense.